Being a trusted healthcare provider can be a challenge for anyone, and it can be even harder for members of the transgender community. As News Channel 5's Kristen Scovera takes us to Vanderbilt's newest clinic, focusing on comprehensive care.
Carla Lewis says finding a doctor is scary.
It's very scary, and you have to tell the same story to every person that you go to that's a new provider.
Carla is transgender.
For most people, it gets to the point to where they either choose to die and take their own life, or they choose not to lie anymore.
She transitioned in the 1990s and says when people think of transgender healthcare, they immediately think of transition.
And often we'll find that doctors will refuse to care for a transgender patient, claiming ignorance on how to treat the patient.
She says some routine visits to the doctor are just that, routine.
Do I out myself to this doctor's staff and this doctor? Will that affect my care? Will I actually get the care that I need?
So how do transgender patients find doctors who treat but don't judge?
When there's no clinic like this in the community, what people end up having to do is rely on word of mouth to find doctors that are affirming and welcoming.
Now Vanderbilt Health is taking the guesswork out of the equation, opening a multi-specialty clinic that will see transgender patients Friday afternoons from 1 to 5 p.m.
We really want to make it clear to patients across the region, and there's something like 31,000 transgender people living in the state of Tennessee, that this is an option for them, that they can come, they know they're going to get high quality, reputable care in a place that's designed for them.
Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld is with Vanderbilt Health. He quite literally wrote the book on care.
And this is the second book in the world dedicated to LGBT health for physicians.
He says Vanderbilt has been taking care of transgender patients for decades, and this is the natural next step.
And we've gotten great feedback so far.
Kristen Scovera, News Channel 5.
The clinic is by appointment only and is located at the intersection of Highway 70 South and Old Hickory Boulevard.